For homeowners in Fayetteville, improving energy efficiency is one of the smartest ways to enhance comfort, reduce monthly utility bills, and increase long-term home value. Among the many window styles available today, picture windows stand out as one of the most effective for boosting energy performance. Their simple design, large glass area, and seamless sealing make them a perfect choice for Fayetteville's mix of warm, humid summers and cool, unpredictable winters. If you're looking for a window option that delivers beauty and practical savings, picture windows deserve a closer look. Exceptional insulation for seasonal comfort. One of the biggest advantages of installing picture windows in Fayetteville is their ability to provide outstanding insulation. Unlike operable windows, picture windows do not open or close, which means there are no gaps, no moving parts, and fewer opportunities for air leakage. This creates a tight, secure seal that prevents outdoor air from entering and conditioned indoor air from escaping. During the summer, when temperatures and humidity rise, picture windows help keep your home cooler by limiting heat transfer. In winter, they minimize drafts and cold spots, keeping the warm air inside where it belongs. This improved insulation translates to more consistent indoor temperatures year-round, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Lower energy bills all year long. Energy efficiency isn't just about comfort, it's also about cost savings. Fayetteville homeowners who upgrade to picture windows often notice lower monthly utility bills. Their fixed design eliminates many of the inefficiencies that cause energy loss in older windows, such as worn weather stripping or warped frames. When paired with modern features like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings, and gas fills such as argon or krypton, picture windows dramatically improve thermal performance. These technologies reduce the amount of heat that passes through the glass, meaning your heating and cooling systems run less frequently. Over time, this efficiency can lead to significant savings, especially in a climate where both summer cooling and winter heating are essential. Maximizing natural light without excess heat. One of the reasons picture windows are so popular is the expansive natural light they bring into a home. Bright, open spaces don't just look beautiful, they also help reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, lowering electricity usage. However, Fayetteville's sunny climate can sometimes make homeowners worry about heat gain. Fortunately, modern picture windows are designed to let in abundant light without allowing excessive heat to penetrate. Low E coatings reflect solar radiation while still letting natural light fill your rooms. The result is a bright, inviting interior that stays cool and comfortable even on hot summer afternoons. Improved home value and long-term efficiency. Energy-efficient upgrades are among the best investments you can make in your home, and new picture windows offer excellent long-term value. Homebuyers increasingly prioritize energy-saving features, and upgrading your windows can make your property more attractive on the market. Picture windows also require very little maintenance. With no tracks, hinges, or mechanical components to worry about, they remain energy efficient for decades. Their durability makes them a smart choice for Fayetteville's weather conditions, from spring storms to temperature swings. A beautiful and practical upgrade. Beyond their energy-saving benefits, picture windows enhance your home's appearance inside and out. Their wide, unobstructed views bring the outdoors in, making your living space feel larger, fresher, and more connected to nature. Whether you want to highlight your garden, backyard, or Fayetteville's scenic surroundings, picture windows make a stunning design statement while keeping energy costs low. If you're looking for a window upgrade that combines beauty, efficiency, and long-lasting performance, picture windows are a top choice for Fayetteville homeowners. Their airtight construction, advanced glass technology, and ability to deliver bright natural light make them one of the most energy-efficient window options available today.